Understanding, repeat the cycle in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, repeat the cycle. This phrase is not only common in English conversations but also rich in meaning. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it effectively in your daily English communication. Let's get started. Repeat the cycle is a phrase used to describe the action of doing something again in the same way as it was done before. This can involve a series of actions or events that happen over and over in the same order. Imagine a circle where the end of one action leads back to the start of the first action. It's like watching a wheel spin. Once it completes a turn, it starts over again. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday life to scientific processes. 1. Daily routines. Every day, I wake up, go to work, come home, and then go to sleep. I just keep repeating the cycle. 2. Business and work. Our team develops a product, markets it, sells it, and then starts over with a new product. We're always repeating the cycle. 3. Nature and environment. Nature has its cycles too. Think about water. It evaporates, forms clouds, rains down, and then the cycle repeats. When talking about habits or routines, I'm tired of repeating the cycle of procrastinating and then rushing to meet deadlines. In discussions about processes or systems, this software has a bug that causes it to repeat the cycle of crashing and restarting. In a metaphorical sense, sometimes, history seems to repeat the cycle of certain events and trends. While repeat the cycle is straightforward, it's important not to confuse it with similar phrases like break the cycle or complete the cycle. Break the cycle means to stop a recurring pattern, especially a negative one. On the other hand, complete the cycle refers to finishing all the stages in a sequence. Understanding these differences is crucial for accurate communication. And that's a wrap on repeat the cycle. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.